Hey, how's it going? So let's talk about the overall state of the union with the crypto market. We all know where we're at, but I want to put a little bit of meat around this proverbial bone for you. Okay, we got a situation here where crypto in and of itself is 1.83 trillion right now, down 0.2%. We are flat. We've been flat. We're going to continue to be flat for a while. And you can see right here in the proverbial stock markets for Bitcoin, Ethereum making up over 60+% of the total market cap is wrapped up in Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are driving everything, right? The entire altcoin market is simply being held by one thing, and that's one thing is the Russia-Ukraine crisis. Now, there's some interesting things playing out there I need to make you aware of. Okay, if you take a look at the stock market, and right here, right now, the Dow is down 319, NASDAQ is down 93. This is a situation where oil prices are going up globally because of the Russia. There's continued pressure on the U.S. for us to quit buying oil, Russian oil, which will jack up prices here in the United States. Of course, oil prices and fuel prices are going up globally. That's my point. Is I'm just talking about the economic impact of that, which ultimately, at the end of the day, is creating a tremendous amount of fear and uncertainty, anxiety in the overall market. If we look at the crypto fear and greed index, yeah, it's pretty much where it's been. It's been hovering in this 20 extreme fear range for quite a while now, for about 5-6+ days. This is the state of the union where I think people are fundamentally very fearful of the situation, so they are holding back on putting money into investments, and/or they're pulling money out of investments. And you can simply see that in kind of the current state of the union of where things are at. It's really, though, flat. There's not a lot of really major bleeding going on right here in the overall crypto market. You can see, look, we're in the top 100 cryptos. The biggest ones that are down are only down 8% and 7% respectively. So no major bleed out is happening right now. But there's also things kind of out there. If you kind of look at the headlines, and I use Finance Yahoo just a lot to kind of get a real quick snapshot of what is transpiring. And overall, the consensus is a tremendous amount of uncertainty. It's like the markets really don't know where they should go. It's almost like they don't know if they should be bearish or bullish, and there's no lack of clear direction. Now, again, we've got a situation where the crypto market is not reacting as badly or having as much damage or negative impact as the overall stock market. But right this second, crypto doesn't know if it should go up or go down. That's really what it comes down to. Now, there is content out there, and there's people talking about why war and sanctions are good for Bitcoin or good for the overall crypto market. There's a lot of information out there that I'm looking at, like the Russian ruble is crashing further against Bitcoin as oil sanctions loom. You got more and more oil sanctions. You got Bitcoin and crypto in general, emerging from this as somewhat of darlings in the media. The media is talking a lot about crypto, things like that. But really, at the end of the day, it is that fear and greed index that I'm going to come back to, and it's the fear around what the heck is going to happen around this that is making people wait. That's really where we're at. We need to get some type of a breakout catalyst. Now, if the United States, the Federal Reserve, on March 15th or 16th decides to not raise the base interest rate, or maybe not raise it as much, right now it's being expected they're going to raise it about 0.5%. If they raise it maybe only 1/4%, or they choose not to raise it at all, then that will actually be a massive spark to the overall crypto market, stock markets as well. We have wait to see that. We got about 8 or 9 days till that event is out there, till it comes. But right this second, you are not going to see any altcoins, anything moving up right here, right now, unless there's some weird catalyst going on with that particular token or coin. And that's where we're at, guys. That's the state of the union. Hey, real quickly, I got to make you aware of this. If you're interested, this is something that's really cool. There's a link in the description below to this. I Trust Capital. This is a referral scenario, so if you do this, I do get a referral fee, but I use these guys as well. This is a IRA retirement account scenario funded with that you can buy and sell crypto, period. I think it's really, really cool. If obviously you're watching this video, you're into crypto. Every single major one out there: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, things of that nature, Shiba Inu, some community tokens as well. You can buy and sell crypto in your IRA account, which is pretty cool. There's a link in the description below. Check it out. It's free to sign up. And oh, by the way, if you fund the account with a little bit of money, then iTrust gives you $100 into your account as well. So that's so there's no downside. So if that's of interest to you, check it out. Links in the description below. As always, I appreciate you. I'll see you. Bye.